Welcome to Aura Floor Care, Bristol-based carpet and hard floor cleaning professionals, providing you with an extensive range of services on carpets, hard floors, to virucidal, fogging and anti-COVID fumigation services. National commercial services with experience of maintaining thousands of square metres of carpets in commercial settings, offices, workplaces, to our local domestic services in Bristol, Bath and surrounding areas. In these trying times, your safety is our priority. That's why with every service we carry out applying a virucidal, certified to combat COVID-19 and other viruses, to ensure your family, friends and colleagues' safety. Aura Floor Care has invested heavily in the industry's leading equipment and products. Our unique method of cleaning, new technology of hydro encapsulation, steam inversion heaters and mounted extraction units provide the next level of clean. Fully trained, fully insured, work to PAS 86 British Standard, IICRC Standard Professional Cleaning, as well as senior members of the National Carpet Cleaners Association. Trustmark government approved membership offering a guarantee with hundreds of 5-star reviews. Choose Aura Floor Care. Get in touch today for a free quotation.